So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to bypass the lid lock on these new Maytag or Whirlpool washers. High efficiency, like the newer type, not the older type. So with these newer types of washers, the lid lock engages and it doesn't let you reopen the lid once the cycle starts, and it won't unlock the lid until the cycle ends. So that's not like the old school type of washers that people are used to. So what I've done is I've created a way to bypass this, and it's a really simple way too. There's nothing that you need to do, no knowledge at all. So really easy, do it yourself. So all you're going to need is these tools right here. You're going to need a magnet, and you're also going to need a Lego. Yeah, as you can see right here, just a Lego. And that's all you need. So let's get started. So the first step you need to do is, as you can see, the lid lock is right here. And this little tab sticks out right here, and it pops into this little hole right here. And that makes it where you can't open the lid. So there's like magnets in here, and when it comes down in here, it knows that the lid is down, and it pops the lock out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the lid lock think that the lid is down. So here's what we do. You slip our Lego piece right in there. That's all you do. Then you take your magnet right here, your magnet. You slip it right over the top, right there. And that's all you need to do. And then we come up on our control panel right here. We turn it on. You can pick any cycle you want. So we'll just go to normal. Any settings, yeah. So we just hit the start button. And the load is sensing. So we have bypassed the lid lock. So just with this simple trick right here that I made, this washer can run with the lid open, like we always known. And it's draining a little water because I did this trick earlier, and so there's a little water left in the drum, so that's all that was needed. And if you're wondering what the Lego does, all it does is it holds this little lock in place. Because if you don't put the Lego there, then it also knows that the the lid is not down if you don't put the Lego there. So very important to put that there. So I'm just gonna show it adding some water. It's doing its little sensing step right now, and the water you're probably hearing, if my phone's picking it up, is the water that was in the drum before. So yeah, that's how you do it. And we have a steady water flow, and the bucket and everything's working. So we're gonna shut this off, and yeah, there you go. And the lid lock pops out. You can take this little setup out whenever you want, and you can still like put your lid down and act like it was from the you can still put your lid down and act like it was in the stock form. So that works. So, and if you want to pause the cycle while you have this trick, while you're using this trick, you can either just hit the pause button, or you can just pick up the magnet and it'll think that the lid opened up or something like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.